Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Sienna cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task improves air quality inside your vehicle and is easy to do yourself. You will save money by performing this quick replacement at home. The entire process takes about 15 to 20 minutes, requiring only a few basic tools. Let's get started by preparing the glove compartment for access. Once your glove compartment is empty, gently press inward on both sides to release the stoppers. This allows the glove compartment to swing down fully, exposing the cabin air filter housing behind it. You will see a rectangular cover, usually held in place by two small clips or screws. Carefully unclip or unscrew these fasteners to prepare for removing the cover. With the housing cover removed, you can now see the old cabin air filter. Carefully pull the old filter straight out. Before discarding it, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrows printed on its side. The new filter must be installed with its airflow arrow pointing in the same direction, typically downwards. Slide the new filter smoothly into the housing until it is fully seated. After the new filter is in place, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring the clips or screws are securely fastened. Then, gently push the glove compartment back up until it clicks into its closed position. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter. This simple task significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and helps your heating and air conditioning system operate more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.